Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your list public on your account on X, Twitter, easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click lists. Now click here, and now just click on it like this, and it should be public. Should be turned off, and that's it. That's how to make your lists public, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.